So, I want you to look at this for a second. If I told you a creative agency spent 3 months building this, you'd probably believe me. And then there's this one. Same story. Big animations. Smooth scrolling. Everything feels expensive. Except, neither of these companies actually exists. I made them up. And these websites? They didn't come from a design studio. They came from a prompt. Now before you roll your eyes because every AI tool claims it can build websites, this one's a little different. Imagine if Claude Fable 5, a designer, a developer, and your browser all lived in the same workspace. That's basically what Higgsfield App Builder feels like. You don't spend your time copying code from one tab, fixing errors in another, then opening 5 more tools just to see if anything works. You describe an idea. It builds it. You don't like something. You tell it. It changes. And the whole thing happens right in front of you. So today, I'm not really doing a tutorial. I just want to show you what happened when I tried pushing it way beyond a simple landing page. So, here's the challenge. I'm going to start with nothing but an idea. No prep, no hidden code. No developer waiting off camera. If this works, we'll have a real app by the end of this video. And if it doesn't, well, you'll get to watch me fail in real time. Either way, it'll be interesting. The funny thing is, I spent way too long thinking about what to build. Everyone always makes the same demo, a to-do list, a weather app, a calculator, useful. Sure. Exciting? Not really. So I decided to stop building projects just to fill a portfolio and start building something I'd actually use. That's how this project came to life. Before we get started, a quick thank you to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. If you want to follow along, you'll find my link in the description below. Even better, if you're a new Claude MCP user, Higgsfield is giving away 100 free credits, so you can jump into the app builder, experiment with different ideas, and see what you can create without spending anything upfront. And there's one more thing that's pretty exciting. Higgsfield is currently running a $100,000 app contest. The idea is simple. Build an app with Claude, deploy it in one click through Higgsfield MCP, and you're automatically eligible to enter. Whether you're building a productivity tool, a game, a creator utility, or something completely different, it's a great excuse to stop sitting on your ideas and actually ship them. Now, instead of jumping between different AI tools, downloading files, and trying to stitch everything together yourself, Higgsfield MCP lets Claude communicate directly with Higgsfield's creative engine. The whole process feels much more connected. There are 2 ways to use it, and both are equally straightforward. The first is directly inside the Higgsfield website. The app builder walks you through everything, from choosing the type of app you want to build and selecting its style, to picking the AI model you'd like to use. Right at the top of the list, you'll find Claude Fable 5, alongside several other models. That's the one I'll be using for this project. The second option is using the Higgsfield MCP directly inside Claude. It's the same platform and the same developer. It really just comes down to where you prefer working. Personally, I spend most of my time inside Higgsfield, so that's where I'll be building today. Right now, the bridge between Claude and Higgsfield is the Higgsfield connector inside Claude. Setting everything up takes less than a minute, so let me show you how. First, head over to the first link in the description below and create your Higgsfield account. As a new Higgsfield MCP user inside Claude, you'll receive 100 free credits. Once you're inside your dashboard, click MCP CLI in the top navigation bar. On that page, you'll find the Higgsfield MCP URL you'll need. Copy that URL, then head over to Claude. In the left sidebar, click Customize, then select Connectors. In the top right corner, click the drop-down menu and choose Add Custom Connector. In the pop-up window, enter Higgsfield as the connector name, paste the URL you copied earlier, and click Add. That's it. You'll immediately see all the tools Claude now has access to through the Higgsfield MCP, and you're ready to start building your project using Higgsfield directly from within Claude. Now, let's build something. So after seeing what this thing was capable of, I wanted to push it even further. Not another AI-generated template. I wanted something that felt like it belonged on Opus. Something you'd scroll through and immediately think, there's no way AI made this. So I gave myself a challenge. I'm going to build a luxury brand from scratch. Not a real one. A completely fictional company. But I'm going to treat it like it's launching its first flagship product. The brand is called Atelier Nero, a fictional Swiss luxury fountain pen company. And the goal is simple. I want an award-winning cinematic website that tells a story. Not a page full of specs. I want people to feel the craftsmanship, the precision, the obsession. The kind of website you keep scrolling because you're curious about what's around the next corner. And here's the part that still feels a little crazy to me. I'm not opening a code editor, I'm not touching HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript. In fact, I'm not writing a single line of code. I'm just going to describe exactly what's in my head. Claude is going to do the hard part. It's going to reason through the idea, structure the experience, and write all the code behind the scenes. Meanwhile, Higgsfield is where everything actually comes to life. It's where I can watch the site being built, preview it instantly, and eventually publish it, all without leaving the same workspace. I'm basically acting as the creative director. The AI handles the engineering. So here's the prompt I'm giving it. Build me an award-winning cinematic 3D scrolls website for Atelier Nero, a fictional Swiss luxury fountain pen brand launching its flagship fountain pen, the Eclipse. This is completely fictional from my imagination. I asked it to add visuals, generate with the Cdance 2.0 model on the Higgsfield MCP, and gave it all the instructions on how I want the website to be. So, I will go ahead and hit on generate, let's see what happens. Okay, this is the part one find really fascinating. Because it's not just throwing together a template. It's actually thinking through the entire experience. Behind the scenes, Claude Fable 5 is doing the heavy lifting. It's reasoning through the prompt, figuring out the structure of the website, deciding what sections make sense, writing the code, and connecting everything together. But that's only half of what's happening. At the same time, Higgsfield Supercomputer is bringing all of those ideas to life. It's generating the visuals, the cinematic product shots, the videos, the animations, and all the creative assets that the website needs. So instead of me bouncing between 5 different AI tools to generate images, another tool for videos, another for code, and then trying to stitch everything together, it's all happening inside one workflow. And honestly, that's what surprised me the most. Normally, building something like this means constantly switching tabs. You generate an image over here, fix some code over there, upload assets somewhere else, preview it, realize something broke, and then repeat the whole process. It gets messy really fast. But here, Claude is acting like the architect. It's understanding the vision, making decisions about the layout, writing the logic, and structuring the experience. Meanwhile, Higgsfield is the creative engine that's actually producing everything you see. The images, the videos, the interactions, the live preview, it's all coming together in the same place. And the best part, I'm still not writing code, I'm not telling it how to animate each section, I'm not calculating camera movements. I'm not designing every image, I'm just directing, I describe the experience I want, and the AI figures out how to build it. This honestly feels less like using a website builder, and more like working with an incredibly fast creative team. You come in with the vision, they handle the execution. And a minute later, you're looking at something you can actually interact with. Alright. Let's see what it built. And just like that, it's done. A few minutes ago, this was nothing more than an idea in my head. Now I've got a fully working website. And this is one of my favorite parts. Higgsfield App Builder doesn't just generate the project and leave you with a folder full of files. it gives you a live preview straight away. So I can click this link, open it in my browser, scroll through it, test the animations, and see exactly what a visitor would see. Think about what just happened. I wrote one prompt. Claude Fable 5, connected through MCP, reasoned through the experience, structured the website, and generated the code. Meanwhile, Higgsfield App Builder turned all of that into a real, interactive website, complete with the visuals, videos, animations, and a live preview I can actually use. And the best part is that the workflow never left Higgsfield. I didn't switch between 5 different tools. I didn't copy and paste code. I didn't have to wire everything together myself. It all happened in one place. From prompt to product, in one workspace, and honestly that's a pretty wild way to build. Alright, this came out way better than I expected. Everything I asked for is here, from the cinematic 360-degree hero orbit to the macro fly-through of the gold nib, and even the exploded assembly animation where the pen builds itself piece by piece. What's impressive is that I didn't have to touch a single line of code. I just described the experience, and Higgsfield App Builder brought it all to life. So, if there's one thing I hope you take away from this video, it's this: you don't need to know how to code to bring a big idea to life anymore. I started with nothing but a prompt, and Higgsfield App Builder turned it into a real, interactive website I could preview and use in just a few minutes. A big thank you to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video and making this build possible. If you enjoyed watching me push this tool to its limits, hit subscribe because I've got an even crazier AI build coming next, and I think you're going to love it. See you in the next one.